In this video, you'll learn to repair rock chips like these without creating paint blobs using your ScratchWizard kit. First, clean with glass cleaner or soapy water. Apply paint to the supplied blue paper towel, then dab the paint over the chips until fully covered. I should note that you won't need the green masking tape that you see in this video. It was simply used to create a before and after photo for our website. Apply a small amount of scratch leveler to a new blue paper towel, then rub over the repair area with light pressure to remove excess paint. You will probably find that the leveler chemical removes paint from some of the chips. Just touch these up individually with your touch-up brush. Here's a look at this fender before the repair. And after the repair, we can see that these very small rock chips have been recolored without any ugly paint blobs.